Hey, what's up guys? It's Kyle from Backcountry Adventure Motorsports, and I just wanted to introduce the new to me, definitely not a new bike, this KTM 450 EXC. It's a 05. Pardon the mess, everything in the background just kind of got moved into my garage here, but so like I said, it's an 05 450 EXC. Mechanically, it's actually a really good bike. Cosmetically, it needs some work, but you know me, I'm not real concerned about that. Picked this up from a buddy of mine. They did a top end on it fairly recently. It's got really good suspension tuning on it. It's an RFS motor. Need to do a couple things to it to make it just mechanically sound, and I need to do a carb kit on it. Radiator hoses need to be replaced. I'm going to put a Trail Tech fan kit on it. RFSs are generally kind of known for running a little bit warm, so I'm going to actually have a Trail Tech, the digital fan ordered for it. What else? I got a new seat concept seat coming for it. That should be here any day. And I'm putting new plastics and stuff on it. But other than that, it's actually a really good bike. My whole goal with this bike, I got it for really cheap, like I said, from a buddy of mine. And my whole goal with this bike is to take it and put it to this. This is my Timbersled. Again, also another older item here. It's a 2011, which is the first year they came out, but it's got a long track conversion kit on it, Ice Age rails, new bearings, the double bearings. It's essentially equivalent to what a 2015 or 2016 model is. Plenty for what I'm wanting to do here, just getting into this sport. But my goal is to marry these two together and have some winter fun. Also, the bike will be an excellent dual sport, just to go and play around locally here instead of using the AT all the time. But also have kind of a little starter clutch issue that I'll dig into and get that fixed. Kickstart works great. Bike runs. It actually rips pretty good. But I just wanted to introduce these things to you guys, let you know what's going on this winter and what I'm working on, and I'll keep you posted on the steps here as they go and show you the finished product later.